Mastering deadlines, a key to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that not only applies to the world of work and study but also to everyday life. We're talking about meeting the deadline. Understanding this phrase is crucial for anyone learning English, especially if you plan to use it in professional or academic settings. So, let's break it down together. Meeting the deadline refers to completing a task or assignment within a set time frame. The word deadline itself implies a final limit, indicating the latest time by which something should be finished. Meeting this limit means you have successfully completed your work on time, which is often seen as a sign of reliability and efficiency. Meeting deadlines is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it demonstrates your professionalism and commitment to your responsibilities. Secondly, it helps maintain a smooth workflow and minimizes stress by avoiding last-minute rushes. Lastly, consistently meeting deadlines can lead to better opportunities and advancements in your career or academic journey. 1. Prioritize tasks. Identify which tasks are the most urgent and important, and tackle them first. 2. Plan ahead. Break down your tasks into smaller steps and set mini deadlines for each. 3. Avoid procrastination. Find strategies that help you stay focused and avoid putting off tasks until the last minute. 4. Communicate. If you're struggling to meet a deadline, communicate with your teacher, boss, or team members as soon as possible. Meeting deadlines is a valuable skill that can significantly impact your professional and academic success. By understanding what it means and implementing strategies to ensure you always meet your deadlines, you'll be setting yourself up for success. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of this concept. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.